good thing is that the wines that I'm recommending are out there, and they're ready for you to taste when you leave here. So you have a list in front of you. I hope you all do, and you can take your own notes. And luckily we have the translator here, so if there are any questions, just ask, okay? And I'll try to go as slowly as possible, although I'm known to talk rather quickly. But anyway, thank you for having me here. Thanks very much, and thank you for coming. I assume maybe it was mentioned that I specialize in the wine regions of Central and Eastern Europe, and some more than others, and so Serbia, I've just been getting to know more and more lately. Okay? So this is my, I've been to Serbia a number of times, but